Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Trending Celebrities. Viewers, I hope you are fine and enjoy this video. Hope you enjoy watching the video. So enjoy watching it so you can enjoy your video. A magnitude a magnitude 7.7 earthquake in the Caribbean Sea, followed by a series of strong aftershocks, shook a large stretch from Florida to Mexico on Tuesday, but apparently caused no major damage or casualties. The initial tremor struck at 2:10 p.m. Eastern Time and was centered 86 mile 86 miles northwest of Montego Bay, Jamaica, and 87 miles southwest of Nicaro, Cuba. The U.S. Geological Survey said the quake's depth was relatively shallow at 6 miles beneath the surface. The USGS initially estimated the quake's magnitude at 7.3 before upgrading it to 7.7. The unusing aftershocks so far have topped out at a magnitude 6.1. The Pacific Tsunami Warning Center said any tsunami threats from the earthquake have passed and no other ones are foreseen. There have been no immediate reports of damage or injuries. However, the earthquake caused very strong to severe shocking in portions of far western Jamaica, capable of moderate to heavy damage, the USGS said. It also said moderate shocking was felt on Grand Cayman Island. White light shocking was reported on the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. Other affected countries include the Bahamas, Haiti, and Honduras.